Hi, in this video you'll learn how to parent objects quickly and easily in the outliner. I'll be using the 2.81 version of Blender. In order to demonstrate how parenting works, we'll need some objects. So open a new Blender file and leave the default cube there. Then create a UV sphere. And grab it aside. And then duplicate it a couple of times. I have 4 spheres altogether. Now, if you want to parent the spheres to the cube directly in the viewport, you can select the spheres one by one. And then as last, the object you want to parent them to. So in our case, the cube. You can use the Ctrl+P shortcut to parent the spheres to the cube. As you can see, they are now parented. You can see the dotted lines over here, which means these objects are parented. Also in the outliner you can see cube and its children are under it. Over here. Now let's undo it so that I can demonstrate another approach to this problem. Ctrl+Z. Now these spheres are no longer parented to the cube. So alternatively, you can use the Object Parent menu. So let's select the spheres again, then the cube. Let's go to Object, Parent, Object. They are parented again. You can see the dotted lines here, and here the spheres are under their parent, cube. Let's undo it again, Ctrl+Z. They are no longer parented. And now in this version of Blender, it's easy to parent objects directly in the outliner. Just select the spheres. You can hold down Ctrl to select them one by one, or you can select the first one, hold down Shift and click the last one. Then they will be all selected. And now we can hold down Shift, it's important, hold down Shift and drag these selected items to cube, which is supposed to be their parent. So Shift, drag to cube. As you can see, they are parented again. So now parenting is very easy. You can do it using the Ctrl+P shortcut. You can go to the Object menu and then choose Parent. Or you can do it directly in the outliner by selecting the objects which should be parented and dragging them holding the Shift key to the parent, like in this example. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.